Hi, today we're going to learn how to install a Relay Hub with CA's Digital Experience Insights for Infrastructure Management. So first we need to open Infrastructure Management, and next we're going to move over to the left-hand navigation panel and select the Setup Wizard. Today I'm installing to a Windows VM, so I click Add. If you come to the Add Devices page, just click the Install Relay tab, and then we can select our installer. So I'm going to save the file to the VM and then extract the zip. Next we're going to run the setup, and the first page that we're going to come to is going to tell us which operating systems we can install to, how much CPU, memory and disk space is required for the installation. Next we're going to select the license agreement, and today I'm installing into the default folder. On this next screen, the network connection analysis, it says we can select the host IP, but this should already be selected for us. We're just going to test this and click Next. Now we're going to check the system requirements and we're OK. And here we're going to input our username, password and tenant ID, the same as we would input to get into DXI. Next I validate, and here you can export the pre-install summary, but I'm just going to install. Don't be surprised if it stops at 55% for starting the server, 73% for testing the tunnel connectivity, and it's going to pause a little bit for deploying modules 1 and module 2. So now we're done, we can select Done, and we're going to go back to Infrastructure Management. So your next step could be to add a device where you would select the host that we've just downloaded, you would put in the device IP, operating system, architecture, username and password. Then you can deploy. But that's not within the scope of today's video. Now I'm going to check the inventory. So I want to know if I've deployed successfully. I can see my VM number 200,936 at the top, and we can see that I've deployed this successfully to the host. Now you know how to install a Relay Hub for infrastructure management. For more detailed information on CA Digital Experience Insights, click the information bubble on the top right corner to load the product page. From there, you can go to product documentation, visit CA communities, or see the learning paths.